Yes, good morning, girls and boys. I'm your teacher, Assistant to Prof. Estabraq Ibraheem, Department of English Language, College of Basic Education. I would like to present a lecture of or entitled by the term synonym. Now let's see what is meant by synonym. Synonym is a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. When words or phrases have the same meaning, we say that they are synonym of each other. Now, since we understand what is meant by synonym, let's go for its origin. The term synonym comes from a combination of the ancient Greek syn meaning with and onyma meaning name. So synonyms are regular and essential parts of everyday language that we use almost without thinking. They come in all parts of speech like nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and so on. Now, let's have some examples of synonym. Here are some synonyms of words you use every day. For example, bad, we can say awful, terrible, horrible. Good, fine, excellent to great. Hot, burning, fiery, boiling. Cold, chilly, freezing, frosty. And easy, simple, effortless, straightforward. Hard, difficult, challenging, tough. Big, large, huge, giant. And finally, small, tiny, little, and mini. Now, let's have another example if we would like to use some of these synonyms within sentences. Let's read it and find how can we use these words. Now, read the three sentences below, starting with the first example. It is, the small child was quickly eating a cold ice cream cone, which gave him a bad headache. The sentence number two, the little kid was rapidly gobbling a frosty ice cream cone, which gave him an awful headache. And finally, we can say the youngster was speedily consuming a freezing ice cream cone, which gave him a terrible headache. So within these three examples, we might find different words that can be used as synonym. As in within the first example, we have the word small child, and within the second, we have little kid. And within the last one, we can say youngster. Also, instead of saying quickly, we can use rapidly, speedily, and so on. So, as we can say, or we can see also that the three sentences above share the same situation, but sentence number two and three paint a better picture because they use synonym for some of the told words in sentence number one. Words like rapidly, gobbling, awful, and terrible are much more descriptive than quickly, eating, and bad. They have the same meaning as sentence number one, but they have stronger connotations. Finally, we can say that behind such usage, we can state the reason of using synonym, and that it is, we can say, it makes language more interesting, more meaningful, and more relevant. Thanks you all, and I love you all, my students.